Hello, please, we are going to be fast in this particular content. This is broiler finisher, super broiler finisher, using few ingredients, only 5 ingredients we're going to make use of. We're going to make soya bean, fish meal, bone meal, premise. That's what we're going to use. Many fans are asking that they can't find some of these raw materials in their location. Therefore, I have decided to make this particular content so that each and every one of us will be carrying along. I don't think there is any location that will not have these 5 ingredients. So let's get there. This is broiler finisher feed. Let's put it best. Here, we're going to make use of corn or maize. 65 maize. 65 kg. Soya bean. Soya bean here, we're going to make use of 20 kg. The next one here is fish meal. Fish meal here, is animal protein. We're going to make use of 8 kg. Now, the next one here is bone meal, which is another animal protein and calcium. We call it bone and meat meal. Bone and meat meal, we are going to make use of 3 kg. 3 kg. Okay, please, bone and meat meal is the number 4. We're going to make use of 5 kg here. Let's make use of 5 kg. Now, the next one is premise and other additives. That is vitamins, minerals, and additives. We're going to make use of 2 kg. Now, when you add this and this, it will give us 10. Plus this 30, plus this 95, plus this 100. This will give us 100 kg feed. Now, let's try and see if actually it is not a feed formula yet until we get what we need that will qualify this to be finisher. So join me, let's confirm this first. Now we have 65 times. What is the crude protein of maize? That should be 9 times 9 divided by 100. Then soya bean is 20 times 45 divided by 100. Fish meal, we're going to make use of local fish meal. It's going to be 8 times 45 divided by 100. Here, bone meal is 50%. 5 times 50 divided by 100. Then this one has no protein. Now let's multiply this. 65 times 9 divided by 100. That will give us 5.85. 20 times 45 divided by 100. That will give us 9.0. 8 times 45 divided by 100. 3.6. 50 times 5 divided by 100. 2.5. Now let's add up this and see what it's going to give us. 5.85 plus 9 plus 3.6 plus 2.5 That will give us 20.95. This is good. Crude protein 20.95, which is almost 21 cp. This is good for our broiler finisher. Please, if you have any question regarding this particular topic, here, let me revise it for you. Our maize is 65 kg, our soya bean is 20 kg, fish meal is 8 kg, bone meal is 5 kg. Premix, both with the mineral and vitamin, is just to balance the feed. All is 2 kg. Then if total oil give us 100, and the crude protein content of maize is 9%. The crude protein content of soya bean is 45%. Crude protein content of local fish meal dust is 45%. Then crude protein content of well-processed meat and bone meal is 50%. Then you multiply the crude protein content by the total number of inclusion. That will give us all this. This is how we get this result. This particular feed is good for very good broiler finisher. Please, if you like this, do me a favor and share this video to reach more farmers. And comment, drop your comment. Even thank you is good enough to enable the network to reach more farmers so that we grow all together. Thank you once again till I come with another interesting topic loading very soon. If you have any topic in mind that you want me to give lecture on, please drop it on the comment section. I will do that. And any other thing bothering you in your poultry and livestock animal, let's meet on the comment section. For now, I say bye.